7 Business Technology Trends for 2021. Changes in business technology trends have impacted the free market for centuries. But in 2020, COVID-19 made specific trends accelerate faster than ever. Enjoy sweeping statements? Here's one for you. In 2020, technology played a more crucial role in the survival of businesses than it ever has before. Sweeping as it may be, it's not exactly controversial. In the midst of the pandemic, new digital infrastructures had to be built quickly, new training performed promptly, and new tools adopted by remote workers, practically overnight. To stay afloat in a COVID-19 world, even the most technophobic businesses were forced to pay attention to 2020 and 2021's technology trends. Here are some of the most impactful technological changes sure to carry into 2021. 1. Work from home technology. The relevance of technology used by remote workers will continue to grow throughout 2021. Yep, we're talking about video conferencing. After a year of meet and greets on Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Hangouts, and GoToMeeting, it's becoming hard to imagine a world before video conferencing. These platforms helped us train, interact, run team building activities, and collaborate, almost as though we were in the same room. The comfort level many of us now feel using these tools will surely motivate companies to invest in them even more moving forward. As you've no doubt heard hundreds of times over the last year, remote work is very likely here to stay, even if it poses a few logistical problems. So even when workforces are given the green light to return to business as usual, the very definition of what that is might have already changed. 2. Artificial intelligence and automation. We all know the benefits of automation in your small business: higher productivity, cost saving, increased compliance, better financial insight, the list goes on. Along with automating manual processes, small businesses can look into adopting and integrating technologies that use artificial intelligence to automate a variety of repetitive tasks. Whether you have an AI bot respond to basic online inquiries or adopting software that automates data collection and entry, AI will have an ever-increasing presence in small businesses in 2021. Business leaders who begin integrating AI technologies into their operations will benefit by being ahead of the curve as these advancements only become increasingly integral in the future. By reducing the time employees need to complete their work, as well as the number of employees needed on each task, automation and AI translates to more hours focused on doing work that drives profit. Your employees will be able to focus on high-level work that drives your business forward. Using tech solutions integrated with AI can help save businesses time. Salesforce found that 55% of small businesses cite insufficient time as a substantial challenge. As a result, AI is poised to make small business operations more efficient. 3. 5G connectivity. Faster and more reliable internet makes implementing new technologies possible. Since we are relying on cloud computing, machine learning applications, and big data more than ever, 5G has made business technology tools accessible almost anywhere, anytime. A few businesses are leading the way, and many more are closely following these technology trends. 5G does have the ability to impact more than just your data transmission speeds. They can impact your projects as well. Think about how nervous you would be if a technology integrator told you, "Hey, this audiovisual system needs to rest on your network." This is a common anxiety point for IT departments and tech managers everywhere. But many high-bandwidth systems are increasingly able to be put on a data network, and 5G can handle them. Putting, say, a digital signage server on this network instead of your IP limits hackable weak points and helps maintain faster internet building wide. The adoption of 5G technology, the fifth generation of cellular capability, which boasts significantly faster data transmission speeds than the more widely supported 4G, began in 2019. According to cell phone manufacturer Huawei, 5G promises faster speeds than 4G LTE, with little or no latency, delay in data transfer. This advancement is a major step in the development of the Internet of Things, IoT, as 5G networks are more capable of supporting the influx of interconnected smart devices. While there is a lot of hype surrounding 5G, however, it's still in its early stages. 4. Virtual reality and augmented reality. Businesses are beginning to recognize the value of customers experiencing their products virtually. This has created a significant interest in virtual and augmented reality. Using augmented reality glasses, smart glasses, or headsets, businesses are able to place customers in computer-generated environments where virtual interactions feel real to the user. And virtual reality is not just for customers. Machine maintenance, patient care, and education can all be improved with virtual reality technology. 5. Social media advertising. Small businesses will continue to adopt social media advertising in 2021. While influencers are considered social media advertisers, social media advertising also encompasses other areas, like pay-per-click marketing. As more businesses start social advertising will continue to grow as a cost-effective and efficient way to target specific audiences, said Matt Rosenberg, former communications manager for Wix.com and current senior manager of media relations at Weber Shandwick. This year and further into the future, advertising models will continue to shift toward digital media, social media advertising, and influencer marketing as well. In particular, event-based marketing will be replaced by community marketing. There has been an explosion of virtual events. Through 2021, people will still want to find ways to be intimately connected on Zoom and other platforms. Don't be afraid to get your feet wet and invest in a social media marketing campaign. Entry costs are low, and you might be surprised at how effective this advertising model can be. Make sure your sales and marketing department are fully armed with everything they need to stay relevant, in touch, and top of mind with your ideal client profile. 6. Artificial Intelligence of Things, AIoT. With over 7 billion internet-connected devices, the Internet of Things, IoT, is already an emerging trend. But in the year 2021, it will go one step further with the addition of artificial intelligence. It will give them a mind of their own and will improve the efficiency, productivity, and reliability of these IoT devices. Stats from this study are already showing that 90% of businesses are witnessing a faster impact after including AI for their IoT operations. So, we can already feel that IoT is going to be a big thing in the next year. 7. Focus on cybersecurity. According to research from Bulgard, nearly 60% of small businesses think it's unlikely they will be targeted in a cyber attack. However, many small businesses have indeed been affected by cyber attacks and data breaches, so 2021 should be a year that small business owners start fighting back. Take these steps now to strengthen your business's online security. This will not only help protect your employees, but also your clients' information. Update your software regularly. Invest in end-to-end encryption software for online and point-of-sale transactions. Provide regular employee training regarding the recognition of online scams, phishing, and malware. Implement security protocols and processes for passwords and physical security on-site. Hire an IT expert in your business or a consultant to assist you throughout the year. Like and subscribe if you like the information.